The journey of Elon Musk at age 28 to 31.
He and his brother Kimball founded Zip2, a company that provided and licensed online city guide software to newspapers. 4 years later, he sold it to Compaq for $307 million. Quite a story, but just the start. A typical story of those times. Develop and invest. Find allies. Merge. Disrupt. The rise of PayPal. His first vision of making things easier for people using the digitization. Elon Musk helped to change the financial industry forever. PayPal was sold for $1.5 billion to eBay. Elon held 11.7% of the shares. A big winner in the big game. Money that he uses to make the world a better place.